Hi guys, and welcome to Rathwulven Bushcraft. This is going to be a really short video. I just want to introduce one of my most favorite and most versatile tools that I carry outdoors, the cold steel Trailhawk Tomahawk. Now, you might ask yourself, why is this guy carrying a throwing weapon instead of a hatchet? Good question, also a legit question, certainly so. But for me this is an all-rounder, and I want to show you why. Well, I have modified this handle, just made it a bit shorter. It's made from hickory wood, very sturdy, and the good thing about it is you can remove the head right here with this connector screw. So basically, I can take off this blade, and by that I'm creating a wedge, a knife. If I put it on again, I have my hatchet, I have my hammer. It's a multifunctional tool. And the good thing is, again, I can use it for anything. Let's say I want to make a tent pack. See? I can just use this just like I would a hatchet. If I want to hammer in the tent pack, got my hammer. But let's say I want to split that piece of wood. I could go this way, or I'm just taking the head as a wedge, put it on the wood right here, and just batten that in and split the wood like this. If I then would need to do some finer carving, see, I could just use the blade as such. If it's properly sharpened, I could even use this for making feather sticks. So in my opinion, this is a better tool than a regular hatchet. I know they do serve different purposes, but if you want an all-rounder, you might want to check this out. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Very short one, as I said, just to give you an idea how to use a tomahawk in the outdoors. If you like that video, please leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to the channel and check out the links in the description. If you want to support our channel, you will find some merchandise there. Maybe you can take a pic there if you want. And up until then, see you next time. Thanks for watching and enjoy the outdoors. Bye bye.